I have this iron too that I'm not going to put other components on. Then let's get a little bit of solder out. See, if I do it right, I'll get it right on the pads, and then I won't have to be smearing it around. So let's see if we can do this right. We'll get a little bit on the pad, and on the pad, on the pad. And a little bit on the pad here. Got a little better. So let's get a little bit of pressure there so we can get a little bit more. That's a lot bigger tube than these contacts need. What I really want you to go away with is the feeling that although it may not be as pretty as if a shop did it, that you can do surface mount at home, and you can be successful at it even. So I've got it all the way across the pads there, and when I heat this, you see that the rosin burned away and it melted and it populated all those pads, and the fact that it won't land on other pads, that it won't stay on the board itself, leads it to migrate to the pads that it's supposed to be on.